If you want to see how I created this painted floral denim skirt, keep on watching. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Charmaine Marie and I'm so excited to share with you all how I created this DIY painted floral skirt, perfect for the summertime. The first thing you need for this DIY is a denim skirt. I just used an old denim skirt that I had from Walmart. You're also going to need an assortment of fabric paint. I used some acrylic paint and you'll need some paintbrushes. Before I started painting on my skirt, I watched a few YouTube videos to figure out what type of floral style I wanted to paint. So I highly recommend watching a few videos to figure out what floral style you want to paint on your skirt. Next, I added all of my paints on a paper plate and got them ready to begin mixing. I knew that I wanted to use a light purple color, so I used the dark purple and the white fabric paint in order to achieve my desired color. In order to achieve the basic silhouette of a flower, in my case I wanted to paint roses, I added my paint in a circular motion. I just continued to go around in circles and kind of forming petals on the sides to look more like a rose. Once you have achieved the basic silhouette of your flower, you can start to add the dark acrylic paint to form the petals of the rose. I decided to add some green leaves to my roses just to add a little bit more color to my design. And there you have it, a super cute DIY painted floral skirt, perfect to wear for the summertime. I cannot wait to wear the skirt and to style it in so many different ways. Be sure to follow and subscribe for more content like this. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube at the Charmaine Marie.